know why it took me so long. You left to Arizona, I stayed in California.
Hey everybody, what it do? It's your boy Mikey, and yes guys, it's about that time. It's about the time of the season. It's finally here. I've been waiting for like literally whole 2 months, but you know, we're finally here. Supreme is actually back. We're coming with SS20. All these tees are dropping. The Zippo is dropping. All that good stuff and everything. But you know, it's nothing but bricks, but you know, we're still gonna cop either way. So I'm pretty pumped up. It's that time of the season, guys. You know, it's time to celebrate, pop bottles, do whatever you gotta do, because man, this season's gonna be decent, but I'm just looking forward to the collaborations as well. Hopefully there's a CDG collab, because that's what I've been asking for like forever, and I'm super excited that it is today and everything. Get to record another live call for y'all. Be super dope. Basically what I'm going to be going for is, I have a list right here. I'm going to go for the Tupac tee, Black Cat tee, Shop tee, red or black, Cherry tee, Bling tee, and then the glow in the dark Zippo. I also might be going for some beanies, but I'm in a mix of that. So most of these are going to be to sell later on in this season. The Black Cat tee is going to be a personal, because I have plans for that shirt. If you guys want to see the project that is planned for that shirt, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram, Twitter at @NiceMike with 2 E's _Mike. You already know the deal. And before we get into this live cop for y'all, make sure you go subscribe to your boy, like the video, like the big. Hopefully we catch W's. Like the vid if you did catch a W, and if you didn't, I mean, hey, you know, sometimes it just be like that. But week 1 is here, guys, so expect a lot of delays. There are going to be some delays in the site, I'm already knowing. So far, from the EU, I haven't heard anything as far as like the site lagging or anything, so that's good news. But what I have seen is that the sell times for the Tupac tee, which is the most resellable item this week, has like one of the fastest checkout times. So it is 3.7, I think, for the extra large or large, I don't remember. But yeah, it's pretty scary. So hopefully we can cop a small within 3.7 seconds. The plan is to double cart, but I'm not sure if I want to double cart now because of that sellout time. So I want to double cart that, and then probably another tee, and I also want the Zippo, and I want a lot of things. It's going to be really difficult because I feel like these tees are going to fly, but at the same time, I've seen the rest of the tees and it looks like they didn't sell out that fast. At most, I think was like 50-60 seconds. So I think we big chillin'. I think the only thing people are really going for is just Tupac. That is the most resellable item this whole week. So everyone's going to be trying to get those as well. People are going to run their bots. They're going to do their own thing, the Thug Thizzle. But hopefully I can cop all these manual. I hope the Supreme Gods really just bless the boy to catch a W on all these items, because man, I want to double up on some tees as well. I want to double up on a Tupac tee, and I want to double up on a Cherry tee. So that's the plan for those. But for the rest, I wouldn't be mad if I got like a small or a large. The Black Cat tee is a personal, like I said, so that will be a medium. Not really tripping off of anything else though, so hopefully we do catch this W. Hey, what's going on, y'all? I am back. We have 2 minutes left until this drop. I'm super hyped. Let's get, you know, let's go guys. It's about that time. We're gonna get pumped up. You know, we're about to catch these W's, no L's hopefully. So we got 2 minutes. I'm super nervous, even though like I'm kind of veteran status at this point, but you just never know. Like anything could go wrong. The site I heard was actually lagging for about 10 minutes from the EU, so I don't know how bad it's gonna be here. I'm worried. The Tupac tee was selling dramatically quick, so I am just unsure of everything right now. So I'm just like, yo, I just hope I have the right links. I have the right links over here. It's just gonna be crazy. Shit's gonna be crazy, bro. Like, shit's gonna be crazy. Like, I'm just, cause I'm going kind of at this as a blind whip too, cause it's week 1, so not everything's gonna pop up. So it's gonna be kind of sketch, but I think we still could attain that W. So it's looking like I'm gonna single cart the Tupac tee, because I think that's gonna sell out really fast as far as like resale value, because that's the only item that's really reselling pretty well. If I get quiet on y'all, like, I'm hella sorry, but like, you know, dudes are really focused. Just know that, like, dudes are super focused into doing all this copying and everything. Got 1 minute, probably less than 1 minute. Oh, okay, we're at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Oh no, that's not good. All right, we're off to a rough start, y'all. We're off to a rough start, y'all. Oh no. Guys, this isn't good. Yo, okay. Oh, that is sicko mode. Okay. Y'all playing for real? Oh, yeah, nah. You can't do this right now, dog. You can't be serious. Okay, hold on. Let me try a different method. Oh my god. Accessories. I'm gonna have to try a different method. Bro, it's... Oh no. Y'all, this isn't it. This is not it. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, this is not it. This ain't it at all, bro. I'm going super slow right now. It's bringing you back. It's not even adding to cart either. Are you kidding me? Okay. Jesus Christ, y'all. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to get over it soon. Are you actually kidding me? Can I add anything? Oh, nope. Oh, I add something. I don't know what it is, but I add something. Oh, never mind. It's gone now. Bro, the site is so bad right now. Like, oh my god, can I get something, y'all?
Nope.
Oh my god. Guys, this, oh my god. Wait, what do I have two things in the cart? Wait, what happened? Oh my god. Bro, this site is tripping. I have two things in my, oh my god. Bro, this is not going out as I expected it to be. Okay, time to go for some other shit. Bro, the site is fucking broken. Oh my god. Yo, this isn't looking good at all right now, bro. I can't check out. I can't do anything. I can't do anything, y'all. Oh. Fuck. I only got the lighter. It's still in here. I don't know why I'm double carding. Oh my god. I'm just gonna check out the fucking... Oh my god, I can't even... Oh. Come on, Supreme. Come on, dude. Get your shit together, bro. Get your shit together. I can't even check out, dude. I can't even check out. Like...
Meanwhile...
Let me do this one. Add that shit. Okay. We add something. It's probably a medium. I don't want a medium. I don't know what to do. Like, yo, can y'all please, like, get your shit together? Like, please? See, it's not even letting me... I'm trying to add hella shit in my car. It's not wanting to do anything. That's gonna be personal. It's not even letting me choose medium, bro. Are you kidding me? There we go. Bro, oh my god. I don't know what to do, guys. I'm lost right now. I don't know what to do. I can't get jack shit, apparently. And these are all bricks, mind you. So it's not like these are selling out. Like, bro. Okay, buddy. Alright. left. Sold out. Okay, buddy. We're just gonna, yeah, we're just gonna. Oh, the Zippo's probably. Oh, I forgot about the Zippo. Oh no, it's still here. Oh, we good. Can we add the car, please? Can we add the car, please? Please? I can't check out, y'all. It's not letting me check out. This is not going how I want it. Like, guys, I'm so sorry. Like, this is not the way I want this to go out. I'll do this. Please, please bring me to the page. Oh my god, it's doing this glitch. Just bring me to the Yo, this is like the most bullshit ass drop. Oh my god, finally. After like how many fucking times, bro? Like, guys. Okay, I'm gonna let that process. I don't remember which one. This one actually might be the. I know I've got the Zippo for a fact. Okay, Zippos have been acquired. I want this. Sold out. Okay. Stop on. Okay, you know what? Fuck it. Alright, we're gonna do that later. I want this. This might be sold out. Oh, surprisingly, it's not. Is this the black one? Okay, it is. Let me make sure.
Nope.
Oh my god. Okay. This is the games that they want to play now. Okay. Okay. Personal. I'm going for shit now, y'all. Let's see. Painty. Let's get. Get blue. Let's get blue that. Oh, okay. People are going for this. Double carding that. Okay, looks like it's working now though. Okay, at least it's working now. Okay, I can just exit out of this one then. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? It's doing this shit again. I swear, bro. Please, bro. Please, dude. They're still here. Alright, got those. Cool. Like, they're still here, though. Maybe the bling tea, I guess? Doesn't look bad. I'll go for small on that. Okay. Oh my god, people are going for it. Okay. Okay.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Bro, these 2-pack teas are going. Okay, there we go. You still have a full-size run on these. Oh, I didn't want to get the medium. No. There we go. We got a large. All right, y'all. We're trying. We're trying. And already sold out. Are you for real? So far required, I think 3 or 4 things so far. Alright. Still trying to get this cherry tea. Fuck, I'm just gonna check out. This teapot tea does not wanna budge like at all, y'all. What's another pretty good color? Blue doesn't look bad. This color doesn't look bad. Terracotta. You're telling me all of them are sold out? You're lying to me right now. You got that. Awesome. It's just bots are eating stock right now. I'm trying to catch restock. I promise you that. Right now. So it looks like we caught, yeah, the bling tea, black and large. We caught the nano tea in small, light blue, black cat tea in black, like always. That's gonna be mine. And we also caught the Zippo. I just forgot to screenshot it. So yeah, so we got some decent stuff. Honestly, I would rather get, I really wanted a Tupac tea and a Cherish tea, but it didn't go as planned because there was a lot of choking involved. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. You know how week 1 is. It's always like a big struggle in the beginning, super laggy, super crazy. Not a lot of people are gonna get confirmations, all the good fun stuff that Supreme does in week 1. But that's basically it, y'all. I don't know if this is really a good hit. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This is probably not that great. As far as reselling wise, this isn't going to be good at all. But as far as the black cat tea, I got that, and that was going to be a personal, like I said, it's for a later project. So I guess that's a W on my part for that as well. So not really big tripping about that, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys go subscribe to the kid as always. Make sure you bump a like on this video if you did hit. If you copped the Tupac tea, bump a like on this video. Comment that you took a W, and Mike, you suck, you took an L, because I know I be doing that. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.